Hello friend. You're watching your favorite YouTube channel Real Persian Prince. In today's video we are going to talk about. This is the only video you need to watch to start your YouTube channel. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So, you won't miss any future videos we upload. Introduction. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting yet daunting journey. With millions of channels already in existence, carving out a niche for yourself and growing your audience requires strategic planning, creativity, and persistence. This guide will provide you with everything you need to know to start your YouTube channel successfully, from initial setup to content creation and audience engagement. Step 1. Defining your niche. 1. Identify your passion and expertise. Consider what topics you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your enthusiasm for the subject will be evident to your audience and keep you motivated to create content consistently. 2. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to gauge the popularity of your chosen niche. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer unique value. 3. Evaluate competition. Study successful channels within your niche to understand what works and what doesn't. Identify opportunities to differentiate your content. Step 2. Setting up your channel. 1. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, create a Google account. This will give you access to YouTube and other Google services. 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and click on your profile picture, then create a channel. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name, which should be memorable and reflective of your niche. 3. Customize your channel. Profile picture. Use a clear, high-quality image. If you're branding yourself, a professional photo works well. For a brand, use a recognizable logo. Channel art. Design a banner that visually represents your channel's theme. Tools like Canva can help you create professional-looking channel art. About section. Write a compelling description of your channel, including what viewers can expect from your content. Include relevant keywords to improve searchability. Step 3. Content planning and creation. 1. Develop a content strategy. Content types. Decide on the types of videos you will produce, tutorials, vlogs, reviews, etc. Aim for a mix that keeps your audience engaged. Content calendar. Plan your videos in advance. Consistency is key, so create a schedule that you can realistically maintain, e.g., weekly uploads. 2. Script and storyboard your videos. Outline your videos to ensure a clear structure and smooth flow. Scripting can help you stay on topic and deliver your message effectively. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Camera. A good quality camera is essential. Many successful YouTubers start with their smartphone cameras, but as your channel grows, consider upgrading to a DSLR or mirrorless camera. Microphone. Clear audio is crucial. Invest in a decent external microphone to enhance sound quality. Lighting. Good lighting can make a significant difference. Natural light works well, but you can also use ring lights or softboxes. 4. Editing software. Choose user-friendly editing software to polish your videos. Options like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and free alternatives like DaVinci Resolve and iMovie can help you create professional quality content. Step 4. Uploading and optimizing videos. 1. Upload your video. Click on the camera icon at the top right of YouTube and select Upload Video. Follow the prompts to upload your video file. 2. Optimize video details. Title. Create a compelling, keyword-rich title that accurately reflects your video content. Description. Write a detailed description including relevant keywords, a summary of the video, and links to related content or your social media. Tags. use tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video and improve its discoverability. Thumbnail. Design an eye-catching thumbnail. Thumbnails are often the first thing viewers see, so make sure yours stands out. 3. Add cards and end screens. Use cards and end screens to promote other videos, encourage subscriptions, or direct viewers to external links. Step 5. Promoting your channel. 1. Social media promotion. Share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Engage with your audience on these platforms to build a community. 2. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers to reach new audiences. Collaborations can introduce your channel to viewers who might not have discovered you otherwise. 3. SEO optimization. Use keywords strategically in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search rankings. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help you optimize your videos for SEO. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. Engaging with your audience builds loyalty and encourages viewers to return. Step 6. Analyzing performance and adjusting strategy. 1. YouTube Analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. 2. Adjust your strategy. Based on your analytics, adjust your content strategy to better meet your audience's preferences. Experiment with different video formats, lengths, and styles to see what resonates best. Step 7. Monetizing your channel. 1. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To join the YPP, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for monetization. 2. Ad revenue. Earn money through ads displayed on your videos. The amount you earn depends on factors like CPM, cost per thousand impressions, and viewer demographics. 3. Channel memberships and super chats. Offer channel memberships for a monthly fee, providing exclusive perks to your subscribers. Super chats allow viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams. 4. Merchandise shelf. Sell branded merchandise directly from your YouTube channel using the merchandise shelf feature. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission on sales through affiliate links. Be transparent with your audience about affiliate partnerships. 6. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored videos. Ensure that the products or services you promote align with your channel's niche and audience interests. Starting a YouTube channel is a journey that requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. By following these steps, you can set a strong foundation for your channel, create engaging content, and build a loyal audience. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Your passion and authenticity will resonate with viewers and help you grow your channel over time. Good luck and happy creating! If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and push the bell icon so you can always be updated whenever we upload a brand new video. We will be back with some more interesting content soon. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.